afternoon, everyone. Today I'm in Khao Kho district in the province of Petchabun in Thailand, and this is a mountain tourist area favorited by the local Thais. And right now we are at this restaurant named Khot, opened by a Thai who has worked in France as a chef for many years, and coming back to Thailand he opened this restaurant. He has been featured on many TV programs regarding his cooking, and today we are here and we are blessed that he will be sharing with us how to cook one of his best dishes, which is the Thai fried noodle, Pad Thai. Alright, and let's go in and take a look. So this is his restaurant, and it's just past noon time and there's a table of customers over there. Alright. Hi everyone, now we are in the kitchen of Kuad Restaurant, and this is the chef, alright, Chef P Aek. P Aek. Alright, and we are very lucky today because Chef Aek is going to show us his special recipe of cooking Pad Thai, alright. So let's see the ingredients over here. Now as you can see, this is all the ingredients, and it's cooked a little bit special. First, this is the rice noodle, the prawns, and sugar, and this is the fish sauce, vinegar. Vinegar is usually not used in cooking Pad Thai, but this is his recipe. Right, and peanut, and this is also something special, which is duck egg instead of chicken egg. Then you have lettuce over here in replacement of the conventional bean sprout, dried prawns, bean sprout, and onion, spring onion, and tofu. Alright, so now let's get Chef P Aek and start cooking his special Pad Thai for us. Alright? Alright. Alright, so now Chef Aek starting his pan. Alright. I gotta get my wife to translate right now.
Prawn first to get the smell very nice. Prepare for the dish.
Oh, wow. So the prawns is cooked first, alright, so that the fragrance can reside in the pan. Then you add in the tofu and the onion. And there goes the duck egg. And add in the rice noodle. And the sugar, and the fish sauce. There's the vinegar. Alright, usually vinegar is not used, as I mentioned earlier, but for his special recipe I found it to be making the dish very tasty. And there goes the dried prawns, peanut,
To stir fry for a little while. Make the sauce go into the noodle. Let the noodle absorb all the tasty of the sauce, the flavor.
And then add in some carrots and spring onion and the cabbage. รับกะหล่ำปีทางร้านจะใช้เป็นกะหล่ำปีนะครับเพราะเป็นพืชที่หาง่ายและปลูกบนเขาค้อของเรานะครับผม
Special for here at the Kuad Khao Kho, they use the cabbage. It's the local vegetable as the farm is here.
And they have also told us that because the cabbage here is especially sweet and tasty.
Fresh.
โอเคครับเรียบร้อยครับ
Alright,
so this is done. Alright. There it goes into the plate. But you can smell that it's really very fragrant over here, right? And let's see how Chef P does up the dish. So this is
เรียบร้อยนะครั
the
บสำหรับผัดไทยกุ้งใหญ่นะครับ
yes. What's
มากิน
that?
กันครับ
This is Pad Thai,
Alright.
big prawn.
Big Prawn Pad Thai, special dish from Kuad Restuarant in Khao Kho. So now let's go and taste the
Yeah.
dish. Alright, so now we are getting started to go to try the dish of Pad Thai, and this is what is done up. Very beautiful, isn't it? Alright. Okay, so now let me try this dish. Okay, first I just place the prawn aside. Now for a dish of Pad Thai, one thing very important is that once the noodle is cooked, it shouldn't be overcooked and resulting in it being too sticky, alright? And if you can see here, so there's a texture over here. The noodles are separated nicely, so it's very well done. Alright, so let me taste this right now, alright? Lost for words, very tasty, beautifully done up, right? Very fragrant and a very unique taste because with the vinegar and all these ingredients, it is a taste that's very different from the usual Pad Thai. Alright, so indeed, if you are in Khao Kho, right, do come to Kuad Restaurant and visit Chef P Aek, alright, and order his special recipe of Big Prawn Pad Thai. Alright, so if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay updated to more of our videos. Alright, and until the next video, see you again. Bye bye.
บายสวัสดีครับ
Yes, สวัสดีครับ